class. My topic is the National Court. The National Court is the highest court of Ecuador. Since 208, it has jurisdiction over the entire national territory in the city of Quito. It was established the 208 Constitution, replacing the Supreme Court of Justice. It is composed of 21 judges and for periods of 9 years, who together make up the plenary of National Courts of Justice. They choose from among the members the President of the National Court, which represents judicial function and lasts 3 years in office. In each period, a president for the period of 1 year will be elected. The function of the National Court of Justice, in addition to those determined by law, the following. 1. To hear and resolve appeals, which is an extraordinary remedy that stands before the judge of the court or the provincial court when previous appeal has been lodged on extension of the judgment, for it to resolve before Court National Justice. This appeal focuses on the study of errors incurred by the judge in sentence, in only the statements impressed, so it cannot be analysis of the evidence. 1. By express violation of it test, this is when the law to be applied is omitted or violation of law prefers not only criminal. It is when the defense, the offense and penalty note, but any others. 2. By misapplication. This is when the law mandates that a certain offense is sponsor such punishment, and the sentence dictated by the Court of Criminal wrong this term and applies a penalty which does not correspond to that indicate in the legal body, so that and applies a penalty which does not correspond to that indicated in the legal body, so that the law applies her, but in way that is not appropriate for the indication of the sanction. By misinterpretation, it means that where there is a specific legal status for certain condition, because it does operate or complicate circumstances that others say will not have or change greatly the conclusion of the judgment, their errors because the content is misunderstood, scope or meaning of rules which can aggravate or decrease in the judgment the consequence of sentence, because the people know and resolve appeals, which is typified in the article in the Civil Code. The Supreme Court might review and final judgment in the following case. 1. If has been found on documents declared false by final sentence and after the sentence is never. 2. If the final pronounced under evidence of witness. They have been convicted of perjury in a statement given, especially that serve as the sole basic or for decision of the judgment. 3. If the final judgment has been won unfairly under bribery, violence, or the other fraudulent conspiration, whose extent has been declared by sentence term, and finally, 4. Is you have spoken against another past in judicate, and it was not claimed until that the final judgment. The appeal is not appropriate in respect of judgment rendered by Supreme Court, knowing appeals of recusal. 3. Develop a system of jurisprudential precedents based on triple reiteration rulings. The judicial precedent of previous law is nothing but the solution adopted before certain case, particularly the courts, so that they constitute a kind of doctrine, a paradigm of solution, just a precedent which shall be adjusted from now on. All or some other court. It is as sound as law. The solution provides a court hearing said case or other similars, because in reality they are not identical in life case, shall be resolved according to that doctrine of earlier statement of court. 4. Know the case initiated against public servants who enjoyed immunity. The charter is a privilege guaranteed to certain public servants to safeguard against baseless accusation and to maintain the balance between state and power. 5. Present bills relate to the systems of administration of justice. The National Court is organized into 7 specialized chambers, composed of 3 national judges each. The President of the National Court integrates one of the rounds. The specialist courts are civil, criminal, of labor, of administrative litigation, constitutional tax, and family courts. This is my topic, and thank you very much.